can't believe I usually pour that discount bag right in there. Oh, it's a little clumpy. I've had this for a while. Go ahead and see if I can get this in here without making a mess.
Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to do some rockfish, which I've never had before, on a Trangia set. Alright.
It much depends what part you're in.
Yeah.
I'm going to say the eastern half. It's going to be more of a struggle.
So here's the rockfish.
Montana, I think, is where they have speed limits of like 80 miles an hour in like the twisty mountains, which doesn't make...
It doesn't even look appealing.
See, I've seen this on TV, but I've never had it.
So the stove's going. Oop. So we're just cooking the pan, which I'll set aside.
I had a similar product, but it was like Swedish or German. And
let's get to the fish.
I didn't like it.
I need a beer chaser. I'm going to save my bag though. This shall return. No, no. Maybe it's short.
What I want to do is I'm going to put a little salt on here. So my spice kit, I'm going to go with like a little bit of garlic. And, oh, you know what? There's a little Cajun seasoning in here too. I think some Cajun will be good. Not too much though, just a little bit.
Not terrible. It's kind of the texture of spam with beefy flavor.
Oop. It's got a little clump in the bottle. So. Well, the fish looks pretty good.
It's not bad. that. I had just a little tiny piece. I want to make sure these are all cooked. It's not a, mine is, when I read the package, I don't.
I think she's looking pretty good. I might have flipped it the first time a little too soon, but...
I think that's 2001 or 2011. Well, it's 1047. I can't remember.
The last 3 digits is the Julian, the day of the year.
Yeah.
Is that the first one for 2011? 2011. Meatloaf, that's a 2011. Relatively.
Should be about done.
Hey, it's your old pal Fernbark, and today we're going to take a look at a not too different blast from the past. Meatloaf, brown onion gravy, with caramel color added, that's a huge plus, and some mashed potatoes.
The piece here is done, so... Just waiting for the thicker piece to cook through, and then...
You know, it frustrated the Army. You know, they put the weird Julian date shit on there.
Just go ahead and heat these in the cup of the tag.
I think the fish is pretty much done. That's what she looks like. I've never had rockfish before, so this should be interesting. Kill the heat. Give
It does have a specific odor to it.
An eating challenge.
Dave, Anonymous Dave here is busy at work on blood sausage, something I've never had before.
Yeah, it's got a unique odor.
Oh, thank you.
Similar to
That's what she looks like.
a trash bag in the hot sun.
Well, didn't Mike Myers say that most Scottish food is around based on a dare? What Trangia set do you have, Dave?
This is the 25. Yeah, the 25 is the 27. I'm sorry.
27?
The 27
Okay.
is the small and 25 is the larger model. So.
Well, mine's a 25.8. So.
Yeah. Well, I don't. This is just the standard aluminum body, but it's got the diesel bowl or plates.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right. Let's gives us a taste in bee territory. That is actually really good. I like your bugs. Even the flies think so. Alright, I'm the last to try the blood sausage, so here's what it looks like. It's a lot softer than I thought it was going to be. I'm trying to think about what it tastes like.
It's going to make that 8-year-old MRE taste pretty freaking good, I tell you that.
It almost has like a molasses flavor.
Really?
To me, yeah.
Emphasis on the ass?
Hmm?
Molasses, emphasis on the ass?
I don't know. I'm digging.
Yeah, I like it.
It's almost like a super fine meatloaf or something.
I don't have a problem with the texture, but there's one seasoning in there that just is not making me like it.
Should go up the package. Read the ingredients.
I kind of like it. So the anonymous Dave is cooking up some Scottish haggis. Let's see, it has water, lamb hearts, oats, pork fat, liver or lamb liver, pork, salt, natural flavors, dehydrated onion, free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Huh. Smells interesting. Alright, let's try some of the anonymous Dave's haggis. So, that's what it looks like.
Ground up liver and sheep's hearts.
Ground up liver and sheep's hearts with oatmeal.
I did turn the viewfinder because I'm stupid. There we go. So final thoughts on that meatloaf, which I'm not going to finish. I'm pretty sure that it's petroleum based and supposed to taste like...
So haggis wasn't too bad. I think by itself I think it would have been better with the rest of the breakfast, with like maybe the sausage and the beans and the eggs. So I'd eat it again though. Well, once again, the evils of being full have reared their ugly heads. So I had a little bit more to cook, but had no room for it unless I wanted to suffer with food coma. So it's a good time hanging out with Fernbark and the anonymous Dave. Good times. And hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.